The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click into the global search. Type what part you want to break down. Click the part. Click Edit on the part record. Scroll and click into Purchasing/Receiving Information. Scroll down and you can see this option called Breakdown at Receipt. Select Yes as the option. Click Update. To break down a single bin, scroll up and click View. Scroll and click Edit on the bin data. Click BOM Breakdown. It will take you to this screen where you can see all the components that make up the BOM. Click a reason code. You can create a separate one for the BOM breakdown as well as I did here. Select BOM Breakdown. You can choose the quantity that you want to break down. Here we will just choose quantity of 1. Click Submit. If you click into one of the components, you can then see how it was broken down. Here on the part record you can see the quantity of 1 that was broken off from the BOM. That's it. You're done.